Are you still using traditional network-based printing systems within your point of sale outlets, due to which you are not able to print as per your own convenience so that you can select a particular printer and print the receipts through the same? Now this is a particular limitation when it comes to the network printers. Now this particular problem can be resolved using the WooCommerce Point of Sale Thermal Printer plugin. Now it allows you to automatically send a what we say as a command to a particular printer that is even located somewhere else around the globe. And on that particular thermal printer, the particular printout would be printed as per your own requirement. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular functionality has been incorporated there. For the same, let's proceed further. So right now, as you can see, right now I'm at the back end of my WooCommerce website and I'm already installed the WooCommerce Point of Sale Thermal Printer plugin. And for configuring the same, I have navigated from Point of Sale to Settings and then under the Thermal Printer Settings. Now here you can see that what initially needs to be done is that the admin needs to start the server. Now after the server has been started, the POS agents can add their printers to the admin's server. Now after adding the printers to the admin server, all of these printers would be available and accessible globally to all of the users of the POS system there for the admin. Now what I need to do is I need to just set up the server or the IP address here for the admin server, set the port number, set the status as HTTPS enabled or disabled, set the server timeout and tap here on the start server option. So let's tap here on the start server and you can see that the server is starting up and the server has started. So this is the main work that the admin initially needs to do. He just needs to start the server. And now let's hop on to the POS outlet, what we say as the agent end, and let's see the rest of the workflow there. For the same, let's hop on to the POS terminal agents end. So right now you can see that I have two different POS users and both of them are having their own thermal printers attached to their systems there. Now coming to this particular POS user, you can consider this particular POS user to be in one place on the globe and this one on the other place somewhere else on the globe. Now what this particular POS agent needs to do is he needs to connect his printer to the admin server in the first place. So for that what he needs to do is he needs to go to the particular application on his Ubuntu system and here he needs to enter the host name and the port number and choose whether it is using an HTTPS enabled or disabled and tap on the connect button thereafter. Now after he has tapped on the connect button, you will see that the system would be or the printer would be connected to the admin server. Now he'll go to his POS terminal front end, which is a web-based POS terminal, and here he'll be refreshing on the top and you can see that the server has been connected and the printers are online. Now here he'll be selecting his own printer and he'll be printing on his thermal printer. So right now what we'll do is after selecting the particular printer, he'll go to the order section for example and tap on the print thermal receipt button. And after that you can see that the particular receipt would be printed from his thermal printer. So this was the first scenario. Now coming to the second scenario that actually solves our main problem. So now consider, as I've already told you, both of these are distant apart but both are using the web-based POS system and they are using these thermal printers that they have added to the admin server. Now this particular agent, what he'll be doing is, for example, he wants to print a receipt in this POS agent's printer. For that, what he'll do is he'll again go to the top section, he'll refresh, the server is connected. Now he'll check for the printers and he'll choose the particular printer that is connected. For example, this is a Macintosh system, so he'll select this. He'll select that particular system, and the particular printer attached to that system would be displayed. And then he'll be tapping on the print thermal receipt button to generate and print the receipt on this particular thermal printer that is miles apart from the location of this particular agent's what we say as the outlet, or whatever you want to think about that. So this was basically the demonstration for this. Now actually I also have one what we say as a tablet basically. So I just want to demonstrate to you how we can use a tablet as well to take a printout on any of the what we say as the thermal printers that are connected to the admin's server. Now all of those printers that have been connected can be accessed by any of the POS agents there. So for now what I'll do is I'll just go across, and what I'll do is I'll be opening up the POS terminal on my iOS device here, or the tablet, and let me just open it up. Now here I'll be tapping on the refresh button, and you can see that the server has been connected successfully. Now what I'll do is I'll tap on the printer option. This would display the complete list of systems. You can see we have the Windows system, we have the Darwin one, we have the Linux one as well. So I'll just go with the Linux one. I'll select that up. I'll set one of the printers as the default one, and then I'll be tapping here on the close button, and let's tap here on the print thermal receipt, and you can see the particular receipt has been generated from this thermal printer of this particular agent. Even I'm using this tablet on the go, and as per my own requirement I have chosen the thermal printer where exactly I wanted to print the receipt from. So yes, that was much about the WooCommerce point of sale system thermal printer plugin, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the complete flow there. If you still have any questions, queries, sessions, or requirement regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.us.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.